Hi, this is Blake Tucker. I'm Beverage Director for Taste Catering. We're here to help you make an old-fashioned. All you need for an old-fashioned is simple syrup, really. Simple syrup is super easy to make. That's why it's called simple syrup. Just in a pan, add equal amounts of sugar and water. In this case, we'll do 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water. Bring to a boil, and then just turn it off and let it cool. That's simple syrup. That's all you need. It's pretty easy. It will keep for 6 weeks or so, but if you add about a ½ ounce of vodka, you will end up extending the life of that to about 3 times as long. It can last a few months that way. Simple syrup when you're done. So, how do we make an old-fashioned? So here we have some ice cubes, a ¼ ounce of simple syrup, then you'll need 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 2 dashes, and then 2 dashes of orange bitters, 2, finally 2 ounces of bourbon. We like 4 roses. I like to serve my old-fashions with pretty spoons. This one's fun, with a little twig. And you just stir this for about 15-20 seconds. Your last step with an old-fashioned is, of course, a garnish. So in this case, we want to spray a little bit of orange oil on top. The channel knife is great for that. So a little spray of orange there. And then, when you bring that up to your nose, you get this nice aroma of orange. Taste has started Hospitality Helps in partnership with Meals on Wheels and Peninsula Food Runners. We're making meals to help service and hospitality workers while they're out of work during the crisis. So, if you can donate or help, we would dearly appreciate it. Thank you very much. See you next time.